Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
It's 2026. You trust what your devices show you, but what if you shouldn't?
Welcome to the secret world of perception hacking. It's a kind of dark digital magic targeting your senses.
Think of it like a digital trickster, making you see, hear, or feel things that just aren't there. It creates this gap between what your device shows you and what is dangerously, physically real.
So how does this phantom work? Well, it has a whole spell book of invisible tricks to use.
And these aren't just ideas. They're real techniques used to get you to interact with a fake world.
This is where things go from mischievous to just plain menacing. These illusions have real-world consequences. Just imagine a hacker making a stop sign or even an oncoming car totally invisible to you.
Or a fake button on a payment screen. One tap from you and your money is gone.
See, the goal isn't just stealing data. It's about breaking your trust in reality itself. But you're not defenseless. There are protective charms, a kind of counter magic to keep you safe.
Experts are building defenses, for sure. But honestly, knowing these threats exist is your best first step.
Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.